And in this video, I'm going to talk about the one software, the video software. So I'm doing YouTube automation for almost 4 years. All right, started with hiring a video editor, script writer, voiceover, and thumbnail designer and everything. The 4 years ago, there was nothing called like they can create. You just give them something and it will create the videos for you. So it was not possible, but right now it's possible, guys. So I'm going to talk about the software which is going to change change this era. It's going to create the videos for you, schedule for you, a lot of things, and everything faceless. All right, and so in videos I'm going to talk about this one. Let's see. So this video is called the Syllaby. The Syllaby, we can talk about it, turn any ideas into faceless videos. All right, so you see that you can create the motivational channel, you can create the history channel, you can create anything you want, literally faceless videos, and it's going to I will link the link below, so you can go and check out. It's 7 days free. There's nothing cost to you. You can literally create the videos. Let me show you. I create one videos. So how it's going to look like that. So I create one videos. And
in today's digital age, earning money from home has become a viable and attractive option for many. Let's explore some effective ways to do just that. First, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients needing skills from writing to graphic design. If you have a knack for teaching, online tutoring is in high demand, offering flexibility and good pay on platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com. For those with a creative flair, Etsy provides a marketplace for your handcrafted or vintage.
So this is the videos when I created how to earn money from home. I gave them topic, and this is what is created for me. So let me go back and explain you each and everything how this thing is going to work. So I'm here in the dashboard, and definitely is all the credits. So you have to, it's a paid subscription. 7 days is free, you can use it, but after that it's all up to you. It's a $25 a month. I will link down below and you can check it. So here on the dashboard you can see discover ideas. Before we had to take another subscription for vidIQ or TubeBuddy or something, but now you can literally discover ideas from here. Yes, there is going to be 15 credit, and you can just go through the trends or YouTube or Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, anything, whatever you want to search here, you can literally search, and it is going to tell you what is trending right now, what's the competition right now. So that's a really good thing. You don't have to buy vidIQ, you don't have to buy YouTubeBuddy or anything. This is all in one. All right, so after discover, you can ideas is the mostly, if you don't have good ideas, what is trending on YouTube, you are not going to make money. We did a faceless channels I'm doing for a long time, but I can show you we made a $16,000. You can see that it's the faceless channels, a content is about something. This is all the faceless channel. I'm just telling you this thing works, guys. We made a money. I am 100% sure about that. They launched it a year ago, and they are doing, you can look at this. You can do the bulk scheduler, create 30 days of content in 3 minutes, and you can literally schedule and forget about it. All right, but you need to see how you're going to take this one, right? Are you taking YouTube as a business, or are you taking it whatever? If you are taking it a business, that's a very good model. All right, so if you are taking a good model, very good, we can create the videos. The first step to discover ideas. Once you have ideas, what is trending, what is not trending in your niche, any niche you can, like literally any niche you can do that, like movies or ancient or old camera, animated, like anything. Like once you hit the create videos, so it will show you like action movies or ancient fairy tale, an animated cartoon, and like there's a lot of niche. It's all up to you what you want to create videos on, cinematics or black and white or old camera. It's all up to you. Crime movies, or it will make it for you, so you can just choose any one and then go from there. Like if you choose this one, look at this, is showing the demo all how it's going to make it for you. All right, so it's like a choose a style, set a publish schedule, customize videos option, write script with use AI, or you can use your own, so again, go to the dashboard and craft videos and share, so whatever you want to create, how, and they have a tutorial also, like how you connect your social medias. So I mean, you can real clone also, it's a little bit expensive. You can literally create your own studio, but you can craft your voice also, like your voice literally behind the faceless videos. You can use this one. All right, and there is a video editor also, like if you want to edit your videos, you can upload your files from, you don't have to do, but you can always choose your file from your, and then you can literally upload here, and you can do that editing. You can put your audios is here, and you can put any text, what kind of text you want, and you can put shape, whatever shape you want. All right, so it is all in one package for you guys. All right, and then after video editor, you have bulk schedule. You can do schedule videos in bulk, and it's literally new. You can create the bulk and the custom topic, how many, like how many duration in the 90 days, 30 days, and post per days. You can do two, you can do like a 2 videos per days or 5. It's all up to you, and there's a day schedule, Monday, Friday, when you want. 30 days you can literally schedule, and video is going on your all social media. All right, literally on your all social media. Or you can just publish, like start connecting, create a social post or start connecting. You can connect your YouTube, you can create your TikTok, you can LinkedIn, anything, Instagram, Facebook page. You can literally connect it, and it will automatic. Guys, there is nothing, no software, like it's going to, like it's saving you a lot, it's going to, this is the literally AI is, that's what I'm loving it. It's really good. And being in the YouTube automation business is going to help you. I mean, you can literally buy this software. You can help to your client also, with the faceless videos, and you can make a lot of money with this one. But you need to learn how to do that. But as a beginner, you can literally sign up this one and you can start. You don't have to be a script writer. You don't have to be the voiceover or something, and yeah, and here I was showing you guys, like once you start creating the videos, like if you create the videos, and you have the option to like you can choose your style, like create the videos. And once you create the video, faceless videos, or you can do avatar, and you can choose any, suppose that action movie. This is the preview, how it's going to look like that. All right, so okay, so on dashboard, let me go, and the create videos, so create the videos, and then video option, write script. You can write a script with AI assistant also. They can write a script for you, and schedule and video option, and choose a style. You have a bunch of style here, so you can choose this style, and video option is like what kind of like a like a which one. You can dynamic this one or bubbly, it's like that, and you can change all the what you like, and all this one you change it and it will change automatic back there. All right, you can literally choose the video actor. There's a lot of video actor is here, and I'm sure you heard about Adam. Adam is literally nice one. You can do that. The Adam is like a mostly famous, but you can always choose anything which language you want, like a
Love is a serious mental disease.
you can always play with this one, what thing you want and how you want to do that, and everything is here for you to use this one. All right, I love this one, Adam.
Our distrust is very expensive.
I love this one. So you can do this one, and AI script, literally you give them topic, what topic you want, and it will write it for you, and it will generate 1 minute videos for you. You can literally create the 10 minutes videos too. It's all about the credit, but it's really good. It's really good. So if you guys want to try, definitely I will put the link below. You can try 7 days for free, and if you guys need help anything, definitely I will be able to help you guys, because YouTube automation, guys, literally you don't have to show your face. You don't have to show your face, and still you can make money. And you don't have to hire video editor, script writer, thumbnail designer. Everything all in one package here is for you. All right, here for you. And yeah, and there's a small training also if you want to learn how to do that. Here the edit videos like pro, connect social media, streamline and edit faceless so everything is here too. And there is a Facebook group also where you can join it. You can ask any question you might be have, so this is also, you can use the calendar, when to post, how what time to post, everything is here, so this is all in one tool, Syllaby, which is the Austin. He's working on, he is the YouTuber, so he know the algorithm, and he is going to teach you guys also how to do that. All right, so in this videos, that's it. If you like this video, thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment down below, and I will keep my link, the group link, also the Facebook group. You can join there. You can ask me any questions you might have. All right.